What's up, future crypto whales? It's Mussy here, and today, we're diving into the world of free crypto. Forget what you think you know about investing in crypto because these websites are paying you instantly. And the best part, you don't need any experience or money to get started. That's right, you can literally start earning crypto right now, just by doing simple tasks online. We're talking watching videos, taking surveys, even just sharing your unused internet bandwidth. It might sound too good to be true, but trust me, these platforms are legit, and I'm going to break down exactly how they work and how much you can realistically earn. So, if you're ready to stack some serious crypto without spending a dime, buckle up because things are about to get interesting. First up, we've got CoinApply, a website that's basically a gold mine for earning free Bitcoin. The concept is simple. CoinApply rewards you for completing tasks like watching short videos, clicking ads, and taking surveys. Now, I know you're thinking, Mussy, this sounds too good to be true, but hear me out. I actually tried CoinApply myself for a week, just doing a few tasks here and there whenever I had a few minutes to spare. And guess what? I made $12. It's not a life-changing amount, but it's pretty good for just watching a few videos while waiting for my coffee to brew. The best part about CoinApply is that it pays out instantly in Bitcoin. That means you don't have to wait around for some arbitrary payout threshold. You earn, you get paid, simple as that. They also have this cool feature called the Faucet, where you can claim free Bitcoin every hour. It's a small amount, but hey, every Satoshi counts, right? Next on our list is Timebucks, another awesome platform that lets you earn crypto by completing simple tasks. What sets Timebucks apart is its variety. They've got everything from watching videos and taking surveys to more unique gigs like viewing TikToks and completing microtasks. And when I say microtasks, I mean it. We're talking stuff like signing up for free trials or liking a Facebook page. The payout structure on Timebucks is a bit different from CoinApply. They have a daily payout threshold, which means you need to earn a certain amount before you can withdraw your earnings. But here's the kicker. Timebucks has a killer referral program. You can invite your friends to join using your unique referral link, and you'll earn a percentage of their earnings for life. Imagine building a passive income stream just by referring a few friends. That's the power of Timebucks. Chapter 3. Honeygain turn unused internet into passive crypto income. Now, for the ultimate passive income stream, let's talk about Honeygain. This platform is a game changer because it lets you earn crypto just by sharing your unused internet bandwidth. That's right, you don't have to do anything except install the Honeygain app, and it runs silently in the background, utilizing your spare internet to power their network. I've been using Honeygain for a couple of weeks now, and I've already earned $20 without lifting a finger. It's literally free money, people. The earnings are based on how much bandwidth you share, so if you have a fast and stable internet connection, you're in luck. Honeygain pays out in cryptocurrency, and you can choose to withdraw your earnings to your preferred wallet once you reach the minimum threshold. It's a set-it-and-forget-it kind of platform, making it perfect for anyone looking for a truly passive way to earn crypto. So there you have it, folks. 3 incredible websites that are literally paying you free crypto. Remember, you can cash out your earnings using popular exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. And as always, make sure to enable 2-factor authentication for an extra layer of security. The key to maximizing your crypto hustle is to combine both active and passive income streams. Use platforms like CoinApply and Timebucks to earn crypto in your spare time, and let Honeygain generate passive income for you in the background. If you're serious about building a brighter financial future, start taking action today. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.